So I thought I'd show you how you can complete my homework assignment in 30 seconds. So here we go. First of all, I'm in Sonnet, Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It just came out 2 days ago. And I thought, what the heck? Let me try by putting in my guidelines for one of my homework assignments and see what it does. So I'm going to go in here and just connect to a file. And it has now gone in, and so create a Jupyter notebook to complete the guidelines to the attached PDF. Make sure, so I have my students turn in a Jupyter notebook, not just a .py. I want it to be a .ipynb. Make sure it is in ipynb format. And that's all I'm going to do. So let's start the clock. There we go. Let's see how long this takes. And I'll create that notebook, and it looks like it's doing it on my behalf. And it looks like it's creating a bunch of stuff that it really, if you were seeing what it's doing on this, it's actually not something that you would turn in this view. This is creating basically a .py file. And what I just have to do when I'm done with it is change the file extension to ipynb, and it instantly turns into the perfect formatting. So it's done. I don't know how long that took. We'll see as we get going. It assumes the file name, and what do you think? Did it work? So I'm going to go ahead and download it. It's actually, so when you use Claude, it will take your output and put it to the right and then show you the context of it. So what you see here where it says homework 2, that's on the right side here. So all I have to do now is, one second, there we go. Go and hit download file. It has downloaded it. And now I've got this file right here, and I'm going to move it into a folder that I can use, and there we go. We get rid of these, and I'm getting it, and so we'll come back here in the magic of editing in 1 second. Okay, now I've opened up my Jupyter Lab where I put my files. So just to show you what my homework should look like based on the guidelines, and this is everything that's in here. Here's my group data. See how it's got main genre and the different numbers. Let's see if we get this 1195 number. We're creating a group by. We're doing some pivot tables. And so now you see I've got, this is the file that it was created. So I'm going to rename it as ipynb. And actually, before I do that, let's see what it looks like. So go ahead and open it. You see it looks like this. That's not going to help me out. That's, if I turn this in like that, I would ask my students to what the heck were they doing. And now I made it a .ipynb. That is, again, the file extension for a Jupyter notebook. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, it literally even has the perfect name for what my folder structure. It's ridiculous. So let's do a run all. Let's see if it works. This is my first time running it, and son of a gun, it literally has every line. It even puts in code block 9, which I asked for, and gives a perfect thing for it. Look at this. Unbelievable. Here it is. There's that 1195. Remember I saw that? Here's the group by that I asked for. Let's go and see if it's the same. 124. There it is. Here is the pivot table. Literally the same thing. Aha, mine's better because I reset the index. Haha, mine's better. But I could come in here and just do that. Just go reset index. Boom, boom. And there it is. That now looks identical to mine. And then there's the overall unbelievable, folks. And that's how you get your homework done now. So what do I do? What do I do? I am going to have to change the way I teach code. I have to get people to understand what they're doing, not just copy and paste. And that's going to be my goal, is to make programmers, people that are using this, become problem solvers, people that can use the AI products but still understand what it is and be able to know how to use that to actually answer a question, augment a prediction, or whatever else we need to do so that we make better decisions with our data. So it's not about writing code, it's about solving problems. And that's what we have to create now, is problem solvers, not coders.